This is the Mystery Ranch 2-Day Assault. It's a 27-liter pack loaded with features for travel or everyday carry. External features on this pack include dual water bottle pockets on both sides, dual front compression straps, MOLLE webbing on both sides, fully adjustable Futura harness, and a removable waist belt. The lid also has 2 separate compartments secured with weatherproof urethane zippers, as well as loop Velcro for morale patches. Access into the main compartment of the bag is through our signature 3-zip, which allows the user to simply rip open the top or use the center zip to gain access to the main bag. Internal organization includes 2 zipper detail pockets on each side, as well as 2 long vertical pockets for additional hydration reservoirs should you need them. There's a padded laptop sleeve on the body panel, as well as a separate divider for a tablet on the front. The laptop sleeves also comes with a tab to hang in a hydration reservoir on the body panel. Laptop or tablet can either be accessed from inside the bag or through the long urethane-coated zipper along the body panel. The 2-Day Assault comes in 2 sized yokes, either a small medium or a large extra large, and is available in 4 colors: coyote brown, forest green, foliage, and black. And to scale, I'm 5'11".